That's something you want me to tell the mad woman in Georgia?
Yes.
Only to Akangwea.
Because let me take permission. I don't mind paying $10 extra. Let's just talk to her now. Because what can you almost 75 church roads, Sabongeri. If a man after the 12, okay, Brgie, Oja no din at the degree, and now Fiabo Halimatu. So we are seeing on where if you get Jikon, and you know, the defa. Menu money, Harry Dunia, no worry if you get Jikon. So now, Father Lynn say Mazin Nam the Canon and Care, Simon Epa, and don't wait till you feel Sajed and Anna Lafita Famo, okay? I'm playing.
It's not all the 12 years.
God the 12 for call what they made you. Halima General Zadaziano Halima to Abubakar. So there's in America, only fan club in a 75 College Road, Sabongeri, born a church road. Born in Brazilian America, where we are after all the 12. Panita, or Ramalino, the other, or not Zazi Falls, or not wonder, Keposi Azangozi or Abeze. I feel they want to Abubakar. Man or Brony, can one.
Yo, Namukata so they came Ke Halima to Abubakar, the Hikazoki chairman of Wesunenki Ngozi Arabueze. Ina Hikasamo and Nansunan. I'm Pali Shake yo in Akache. Dama Kuna Zama, a Bangar Nasabongari, Bangare Sabongari, 75 Church Road and Sabongari, Dama Burin the cookie Zoma, the Yankee Kokwa, the Erwanki. Kuma kina nan shekara 12 kika bar sabon gari kika wuce zuwa Maiduguri me ya kai ki Maiduguri me kin je yi a Maiduguri a gurin kika kama dan wani saurayi Fulani da kika aura hakan nan kina ta kuya kina ta shige sannan kika fito zuwa America din nan wanda ya riga ya san ki daga can sabon gari ya ga noki in kin ce ƙarya ne ki fito ki ce ba haka bane in kin ce ƙarya ne sai ki fito ki zo ki gaya mana yanda kika yi wa ya baki sunan Halimatu Abubakar wa ya baki wannan sunan Ngozi ki zo ki gaya ma mutane jama'a Biafra yanda kika yi tafiye-tafiyen da kika yi me ya haɗa ki da Fulani dama mun sai kai ba Biafra bace kai ba Yamura bace dama haka ake kira mu a can arewa cewa mun Yamura daga yau muna gaya miki ki kiran hannunki ki cire mummunan halin da kike yi kina so ki yanke mutanen mu daga baya ki cire hannunki da amma FPM namu ya ce miki ki daina kira sunan shi a duk banzan mummunan hali da abubuwan da kike yi da shige da harkan banzan da kike yi a sunan Biafra sun ki mun ki kai dama ba yar uwan mu bace ki cire sunan masu Nnamdi Kalu shugabanmu na cikin wannan tafiya da muke yi dama ke kin san ba tare da mu kike ba wai son mazin nan da Kalu kike ba kuma ba wai so PM namu kike ba ke munafika ce mu riga mun dago ki in da kin shiga ki zo ki yanke mu amma Allah ya fi ki kuma Biafran sun fi ki ke ki daina rudi mutanen mu kika fito da takiyar naki kina rudan su suna ta bin ki amma wallahi Bramu ya fa miki ba har abada duk abin da kika yi a cikin wannan tafiyar namu na neman arziki na neman tafiyar namun nan na neman icin kanmu daga gurin bubunin kasar Fulani na Najeriya din nan dama ke yar Najeriya ce yar wannan Najeriya ce ya kika mallaki yar wannan Najeriya kin shigo nan zaki zo ki yanke mu wallahi Bramu ya fa miki ba dama na riga na ga miki kwanaki duniya rushe har abada mun tsine miki har abada yo wa haka ne kuma ya dace haka kuma yaka kasance amin na bata sakon
That was fantastic.
All right, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I decided to start with this video because earlier today, I made a video where we talked about the lies. All right, where the video that I titled "I am tired of their lies." We are not here for that. I just want to remind you that this is part of the lies. This particular video is one of the lies that they have been dishing out and claiming what they do, claiming something that is not in existence and pushing it as if that thing actually exists. Please, if you are just joining us, do me a favor and hit the like button. Hit the like button and share this video to many platforms of your choice. This is a live broadcast. We are live. So make sure you do all you can by hitting the like button and sharing it so that the owner of the platform will know that we are not robots. We are actually a human being that is watching. So I'm going to go straight to the comments to appreciate our brothers and sisters that have made their own comments just to support us. Ivan Ike, always my brother, you are here again. You are here again. Thank you so much. Please hit the like button if you have not, and share it to WhatsApp group, Facebook group, any group at all. Good evening from here. That is from Benjamin Macafes. I see you. And Namo the Lucky Palace. You are here. I see your comment. Hi sent. I see you. You're welcome. Go and sleep. Criminal everywhere. I don't know who you are talking to. I said I would like to know who are you referring as criminals everywhere. Is it the video that I'm playing, or are you actually talking to me? I need to hear because I don't want to say something. Then after saying that, I don't want to apologize. So please make your comment. Just say the record so I will know who you are. Address it very, very well. If you are talking to me, then put it very well. And Chikadibia is here. Chikadibia, I see you. This woman just wants to show Fulani that she is capable to do their bidding so that they can buy her over. They have already bought her over. Or she not even buy, she's part and parcel of them. So Lawrence is here. I see you, Lawrence. Good evening, Biafrans, he said. Beautiful Chuku is here. Ndewo, he said. Oliver Hillary. I see you, Oliver. How are you? Please, James Nolly. James is here. Greetings from here. Thank you for your comment. So that's the comment we have now, and I'm going to go straight to the program that brought us here. In that video that I uploaded earlier today, I made mention that we are going to come live today, and we will put our focus on Nkere's speech. Onoma Areze. I see you. Onoma Areze, I see you. And Bonify is here. Kevin, our own Kevin is here. Stella, all of you. God bless all of you. Please like the video. Very, very important. He said, please, is Gentle Yahoo alive? Did anything happen to him? Or is it because of the old voice note that was trending? That not trending, is not even trending anything. They just shared it yesterday. Is there anything apart from the audio that that says that almost all of them was hospitalized? I've said it yesterday. I don't believe that audio is AI. So that audio is not in existence. After all, Angel Makeup have come out. You know, Angel Makeup don't send message without showing his face. Do you understand? That audio is just audio, not video. After they are circulating that on social media yesterday, and Jamaica made a new video yesterday with his face, with his real body. Follow us on our second platform. I upload that video there, so you can see Jamaica speaking there. So his yesterday video, giving you update about what is going on in Okigwe. In that live broadcast, he did not say anything about sickness. This is to tell you the level of criminality gang in today's Biafran movement or Biafran agitators and all that. A lot of people have vowed to criminalize everything, to destroy everything. The same gang that sent PM voice note AI voice note to why you searcher to fall back. They are the same voice people that have made a video as well, okay, of that gentle you are talking about. The same gang also have made a video because of what because of the comment. I'm a kind of deviating. Just permit me to deviate a little bit so that I will now, answer you properly, my dear, because your question is very, very important. People are panicking about it. This will tell you the level of love that Biafrans actually have for gentle, just because one or two people have, decided to twist their minds and their brain to move away from what they should have known that, look, this thing is what it is. So the same people, now that Eggman have decamped, because they know each other, they know how they roll, they know they are all the same. They have actually made AI video of Eggman as well, using his own picture where they're punching his face. I don't know if I've seen that or not. Let me share it with you before we move forward. Let me just share that one. Okay, so if you are watching now, you are privileged to enjoy this one. Okay, you have let me just put it very well. Okay, a moment, just a moment. I'm just trying to carve it. Okay. Oh, you keep on loading and loading and loading. I don't like it. Let's try it again. Let me try it again. I'm trying to share it without downloading. So that's why sometimes when you're sharing it, video sometimes start misbehaving. I hope it's not normal. It's not normal. Okay, let me quickly download it. Let me download it. Since sharing it is not workable, let me take it away. Just bear with me. For some of you that are not aware of the level of criminality and lies that is coming out from these people, let me just because sometimes sometimes I don't know where to start to expose these people's lie, because it is as clear as day. Anybody that wants to see, you can see it. Sometimes they don't cover their lies. Yesterday we exposed the way how they create website that looks like a normal one powerful global media platform, news platform, whereas the platform actually is being designed and by the same people. So this is the level they are today. These days, they can use anything just to make sure that they deceive their friends. Anything at all, anything. Anyway, while we are waiting for the video to download, let me present to you Nkere. Once we are done with the video, then I'll bring it up.
APM, the Tokinadu APM, the silent engine.
Konaka.
Does the things behind the scene, and the enemies of Biafra sees the result in the limelight. We salute you. We appreciate all you do. And you're welcome to Aludo. Aludo,
hey, Sonak Barawa. The Tokinadu APM, the silent APM, just like US. That Chike doesn't mean silent achiever. Tokinadu APM, the silent Tokinadu APM, the silent. Oh God. So now this US Chike doesn't mean silent achiever, silent one achiever. I don't know achievement that is silent. What kind of achievement? Silent achiever. And this one now Tokinadu APM, the silent achiever. Let me because Chike told me did he use the same word? Let's go back again. Silent achiever, and this one is Tokinadu APM, and there's another word that he used. Let me.
Wonderful APM.
Wonderful.
Tokinadu APM, the silent engine.
Oh, silent.
Konaka.
Hey. Silent engine. Silent engine. That silent engine should be what? That's fighter jets. Some of these jets that are very silent when they want to launch missile. Silent engine. Silent engine. Chikedozomi is his own title is silent achiever. Imi to ike guru na ubruta tamajo ya. APM. Full name is Nkere, which is also title. Son name title. Rain name title. Then added nan talking ado. And then you now added silent machine. Silent engine. Hey God, we don't suffer. Well, people don't suffer for this whole hand. I won't lie to you. They don't suffer. I'm telling you, they don't suffer. I don't know why this Eggman video is giving me a headache. I'm kind of slowing everything because of that. I don't want to. I'm trying not to come back again on that. Let me go back and take it again. Eggman, this your video should be just respecting itself now. What is wrong? They have designed Eggman where they are punching his face. The same electric locomotive engine. There's Frontina. You're welcome, my sister. Electric locomotive engine. Okay. Silent engine. Talking to do. Na ojiro tatu let play. Emba.
I like it. I don't need a reason.
Sorry, the sound is forbidden, so we are not gonna allow the sound to come out. But the video is here. We have it. Let me add it up. The video is available. I just want to show you that it's even good to share the video before we move forward. So that I will not connect it to what I want to say. It's even good. Hold on. Forget about this talking ado yet. We are coming to talking ado ATM and silent engine. Chikedozomi is okay. I'm gonna mute it, the sound, but watch. Just watch. Are you seeing that? Watch. This is what will happen to you when you see evil and pretend that it's good. Okay? I posted on my Twitter. This is AI, not rape, please. Nobody's fighting. Okay? Now, this video here, this thing we are seeing here, is not real. It is AI generated video. But people that this guy know that they can create. In fact, he knew those who made PM audio and said to why researcher. They are not the same gang that actually formulated another story like this one, just to show you how Eggman can, that using his own image, he has never, he did not say anything about this thing. You have seen that too, but he don't want to say anything about it because he understands that this is AI, and he probably know those responsible. But because he was involved in some of the AI before, he cannot start attacking them, his colleague. Are you getting the point now? The so-called Gentle is hospitalized and Butoso is hospitalized and everything could be from their own camp, from 4 deep. I don't think it's from 4 back. I don't think that one is from 4 back. I think this one is from 4 deep. This 4 back and 4 deep republic, both of them are good in fake information, falsehood. The other day, they caught Butoso's statement where he was sending messages to PM about giving him situation report. They caught where Butoso talk about him, joined them together and formed a sentence and released it. Who did it? 4 deep. They are the one that did it. Okay, so all this kind of video is It's just to make people feel like something is going on, there is a problem, there is a fight, but they are all AI. That's what they're good at. So that, like I said, maybe if there's anything, if that is true, I start to be corrected. But to the best of my knowledge, I don't see it as anything real. Because how can you use a Jamaican voice to create audio? The same people that formed audio that was sent to Waisocha now use the same audio of Gentle and Jamaican to bring false information on social media just to trigger people. I don't know what they want to achieve by doing so. They are the one. Yesterday, Jamaican came out and said something. I make this video you're about to watch now. In fact, honestly, I don't plan to bring those videos. They're already on my second channel. But I'm gonna I will not play it to the. In fact, let me mute it. Some of you have seen this video. This is NJ Makeup as of yesterday. Why they are circulating that audio? That NJ Makeup is live making a video, giving you situation report from homeland. Do you understand? Here he don't mention na isi na wajento, na afọ na tajento, na luku jebu yamu. No, nothing like that. This video is for total, just a very different message entirely. Different from what they are putting out there, lying to people and pushing out falsehood. From my own self-analysis, I have come to a conclusion that it is pure fake. Of course, it's the original fake. We know what I mean by original fake. They made it. They tried their best to make it look real. But the more they're trying, the more they're making it. The more they're trying, the more they're making it. Proving to us that it's fake. So I think I've answered you. So if you are panicking about it, Masaka, the blow shock Eggman. You see how Eggman mouth be like egg where they break on the head of the Nkere. my brother, original and fake, original fake. It is when the fake is beyond fake. You understand? It becomes original fake. So this is in Jamaica live. His real video giving updates after, even in the midst of the so-called generated audio and nonsense that's circulating there. But all of them, I can't share that kind of thing on my platform, to be honest with you. It is laughable. It is laughable. So we are done with these two. Back to Silent Engine.
Behind the scene and the enemy.
Honestly, this is the reason why we are here. Now let us start this program. This is the reason why we are here. I am here this evening for this video alone. Okay? And anything I'm gonna say here is my personal opinion. And I'm not intent to attack Nkere or to rubbish his identity. Neither my intention is to my intention to bring something that is like fake information. I'm not adding anything fake. Please. I just want to be real. I'm not trying to create fear in anybody or make Nkere look stupid, but to throw more light on his own video and his own statement, so that people may understand what is. If you be the one to judge if he's lying or not, okay? And I'm not here to tell you to hate him or to go and fight him or cause any problem. So we don't support anything, violence or criminality of any kind. Please let us continue and let's go.
Next of Biafra says the result in the limelight. We salute you. We appreciate all you do. And you're welcome to Aludo Kwenu.
Yeah.
Aludo Bueno.
Oh.
Aludo Bueno.
Oh.
Aludo Bueno.
Yeah.
APM, over to you. Unmute yourself, sir, and take the stage, APM.
The Honorable Minister of Information.
Give to KK. I don't understand what you're saying. Where's just your message, please? He said, no, Kai. Thunder said it that they are sick. I'm not aware of it, and I don't have such message. So I'm only speaking based on my own, what I have in my own hands. The news is not, I don't have it. Where Thunder said it. If you have it, maybe you can let us know so you can share it as well. But since the issue of Thunder being, when they tortured him, when he was, I don't know if he's still in the camp of or anything at all. But since then, I have not seen anybody that said I have actually seen Thunder or I have talked to him. Do you understand? So I don't know about it. I'm not aware of it. But I'm just telling you that I don't believe that. Personally, I'm not saying you should not believe him. Believe the news. This is my own opinion. Remember.
Please accept my apology. It's just from one thing to another, from meeting to meeting. But no matter what happened, we must be here. Now we're here. Is that correct?
Yes, so now we're here.
Yes, thank you all. Thank you, fellow citizens from Aludo. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you for your.
Okay, I'm not aware, my sister. I'm not aware. So let me come out from you before we go forward. Excuse me. So did the Thunder say that or did he inform? Did he confirm to you people? I'm talking to you, Tina, please. Did the Thunder say? Did he accept or did he make it clear to you people that that audio is true? Because, like I said, I'm not aware of it. Honestly, I'm not aware. So you can as well clear on that if you don't mind.
And all genuine freedom fighters, thank you from here and there. And I must recommend Aludo. I believe this is the fourth or fifth town hall meeting this year, correct?
Seventh.
All right. Aludo, at least all other states have to copy this example, please. And our town hall meeting is where we gather to discuss the issue of Biafra, where we also have the privilege to answer some questions. And at the same time, it's gathering of brothers, and especially now that we are in critical time, we all need each other back. We always want to gather like this. And this is this is how the church leaders able to manipulate and use their followers, because they engage them from week to week. You will be surprised that some church, they have service 6 days a week, 7 days a week, 5 days a week. Do you know the reason why? They occupy everything about you. They cage you. You will find some gathering that you will find some churches on Monday after Sunday service. Monday will be book study. Tuesday, they will name it something else. Wednesday will be maybe people that want to get married or whatever, single worshiping, single brethren and sisters. Then Thursday.
Single brethren. Single brethren is what? Anyway, let's continue. I know what he's trying to do here. This illustration that this guy is giving here is kind of giving them more reason why they must be, why they must keep on keep on, doing broadcast and constantly online to keep on occupying people's mind and their sense of reason. That's why he used the church. He asked them, do you know why church is always engaging you with its, series of activities? Because they want to condition your mind to take over everything about you. So you won't have space to think. And the best way is to emulate church by doing the same thing on social media, so that if you don't know how these people work, you will fall yakata in their camp. Watch.
And Friday probably gonna be night vigil. Before you know, all your week you will walk around the activity of that congregation. And by so doing, this church they will blend together and know each other. So, and our town hall meeting, why I use that as a case study, our town hall meeting, the more we meet, the more we share our views,
yes.
The more we know how we are doing, how to move forward, how each state is doing.
Very big list.
It's really encouraging. Please, other states need to copy. Okay. Because now we really need to checkmate everyone to know those that stay with us and those that are not with us, and those that are falling apart. And it's really important. Like yesterday, we have our fundraising, and today again we gather. So this is gatherings of brothers and sisters, especially this time.
So constant gathering will help him to penetrate into subconsciousness of people. Constant gathering, persistent. That's what he's trying to tell them here.
Thank you all. Our leaders before us, we always remember them, and we appreciate everything they have.
Yeah, my sister Tina, since I stopped telling them that, giving update about what PM told me, our people have not. They are not keeping up to date. You understand? That's why you have 150 people and only 53 have liked the video. So not even up to half of the people that are watching. So please, you guys should please hit the like button, unless you want me to go to my file archive and bring to you the message from PM. Because Nkere is one keeping you updates now. You guys are following him. Please follow me here by liking the video. Just click on the like button, please. Very, very important.
Done for us, our leader Juku and our leader Philip Efiam. We appreciate their sacrifice because they really open our eyes, so that the agenda of Osman and Fodio from 1804, our leaders open our eyes so that so the agenda of the Fulani, their grandmaster Osman will not be able to, so they won't be able to carry out the agenda, that is to Islamize us, take over our land, or kill us, or chase us to Lagoon, or chase us to Ambazonia, even if Ambazonia will allow us in. Talk less of Cameroon. Ambazonia, on the other side, we all know they are fighting for their own survival. And the Duduwa Republic, we can't even run there. Is it the north where they are killing us? Back over 100 years now, our people will be running scatter from north. So we appreciate our leader, Ojukwu and Philip from that show us the way what to do. And also,
Kevin, thank you.
Wazirike, just that Wazirike sold out because he was sabotaged, but he could have, stand as a man and fight to the end. I don't know what's going on with him. If he really true, genuine freedom fighter, no matter what, by now, after over 10, 15 years, he's supposed to have made a U-turn and embrace the freedom that he believed in once upon a time. But since he haven't done that, we know the agreement he have with the terrorist country called Nigeria. Wazirike, if you are listening, wherever you are, shame unto you for now. We are so disappointed in you because you are not a true, genuine freedom fighter. A true, genuine freedom fighter can never show that, no matter what, no matter the pressure, no retreat, no surrender. If you can't fight from the homeland, fight from exile. That's what Wazirike supposed to do. But shame unto him upon the mistakes, everything he have gone through. He actually fought against our leader, Mazin Namdekan. Wazirike, make a U-turn, do what is right, and apologize to Biafran people. Come back on board if you're a true born Biafra. If you're not, our leader, Mazin Namdekan, we appreciate him, just like I just mentioned and talked about Wazirike. If Wazirike have been if our leader have been Wazirike, who is surrendered.
Tina, if you know what is in the mind of this guy, he don't even believe that somebody is bigger than him. Just hold on. Let's go through these videos. Just hold on.
But Wazirike, once he heard that, oh, all the whole commanders he just say hands up and collect money. Actually, he's a criminal. If not, he will not even accept that money. Because once they release him, he start building hotel everywhere. That guy is a scammer. I will not forgive him until he do what is right and come and apologize to Biafrans and fight the fight that he start from Mazon.
I don't know why it's so difficult for him to forgive people. He always tell you that I can't forgive you. Everybody, he don't want to forgive anybody. Hey God, just hold on, because I want him to establish his statement first. Why for Mazakai TV? This APM no shame, no get shame at all. I never see where Satan they call God Satan. If you bet anything, anything. Please like the video, please. If you are joining us,
never sabotage his people.
If you are just joining, please hit like button, okay? We have 78 people that have liked the video out of almost 160. Please like the video.
What he did is a sabotage. That's why we keep calling his name lately.
Don't sleep, don't sleep.
Because he resurrected the movement. That is the credit we are giving him, because he resurrected the movement after the genocidal war. And our leader, Mazin Namdekan, what we are doing is what we free him. If we depend on that failed shithole country called Nigeria, it will only be by me.
He's losing his fake loud voice. Because when he started, he was very, very calm. Like people said, no. That people are following God's organization because of the energy in her tone. So, what came out of the guy's school of shouting, and Shepard graduated. Shout! I could remember when some Biafrans, when normally like 4 months ago, if I bring his video like this, people would know my comments. This guy will faint one day. He's stressing his heart. You are not meant, your body cannot carry this. People want to be what they are not. It's not easy to live fake life. It's not easy because sometimes you will go back to your normal self without even knowing, thinking that you are still playing the character that you want to play. But I love the way you put it, though. I love it.
For them to release him. So our activity, our Prime Minister Moses Simon always say, our activity is what we release our leader Mazin Namdekan. Just like the testimony that was submitted to human rights Congress just a few weeks ago. That exposes Nigeria more. That exposes the atrocity Nigeria have committed towards the Biafran people. We will destroy Nigeria from Washington here, because so far, last time we Biafran checked, United States of America still remain the leader of the free world. They are still the boss. Whether you like it or not, whether Russia like it or not, whether China like it or not, they are on top. It's their time. So, and we respect their leadership. We always pray that they will do the right thing. And we believe that they will not fall too cheap to support a terrorist country, because if they do, that means they don't practice what they preach. and know how the system work. And remember America,
Yes,
Maradona as
we are
well.
live.
They know how to play the political game than we do. So please, we
I will
still
not
have
go there.
hard
No,
work
I'm not going there. I'm not going there.
coming from Washington, D.C. And I also want to use this opportunity to let Biafra know that very soon we have a more serious meeting and engagement we'll be having in Washington. You know, not everything will be on social media, but whatever that will be for public consumption or for Biafran people to know.
Why are you running away from bringing it on social media? Like, you want people to believe what you are saying, isn't it? You have to show some element of the result or outcome of your visiting to the Washington. You have been going there for a long time now. People ask questions. Your defenders will be angry with the person. You are visiting Washington all this while, bragging about it, claiming that without you, nothing. Nobody knows how to speak English to white people apart from you. That without you, everything would have collapsed. Okay, what is outcome? Every blessed day you keep on dragging any good news with people that matter. The one that Canada did, I have been watching you people to see how you will connect yourself to that one. Somehow maybe you guys want to respect yourself on that one. You have not claimed, although there's some statement that your camp have made, which I don't know if they're referring to the decision of Canadian government, because Nkere, what I'm hearing is that Nkere is one that is making the world leaders to question Nigeria today. That his activities there, coupled with this your new platform, Abamek.net, you are using it like even this video. Abamek is already there, because I told us yesterday that he don't want to keep paying Nigerian newspaper, or maybe they are tired of editing it, because last two posts from quoting the Nigerian Daily Post and Daily what is the other one called, the person, is it the People's Daily or People's Daily or something like that? These two newspapers, they edited it and put their own word, as if that was reported by the platform owner themselves. So he quickly decided to build, Oji website. Look at this guy, officially, because the way building website, this guy can build two websites within 1 week. But website I call now, I'm telling you, anything about one website doesn't happen. The way he's building things, like building website, he don't joke with information, and he's spending a lot on that. He's spending a lot on that. And let me not go there. I wanted to say something, but let me not go there. You're welcome, sir. I see you. And Ngozi Maureen, please, if I did not mention your name, don't feel bad, please. When we started, we have actually, talked about, we visited our comment section and sent our greetings to all of us. So please, that I did not mention your name does not mean that you are not important. Please, you are. Okay? God of Wonder, I see you. God of Wonder, that's our brother that normally joins us here on the studio. So I see you, my brother Franco Conco, Sunday Chima. Please bear with me. I can't keep on going through all this. Doreen is here as well. All of you woke up. I see you, Nkere. All of you, Matthew. Please don't feel bad. Don't feel bad. So he decided to invest more money, or a lot of money, building website, just because he wants to convince people with everything in him, and somehow he's getting some results. I won't lie, because the challenges have not matched up to what they're doing on social media. The challenges are like people have not countered it the way it's supposed to, I think I'm the only one digging more on this issue of secret website and editing a platform, editing news just to propagate that Nkere is doing something in global stage, whereas he's not doing anything. I have not seen any. Please, if you have, I will also like to know, to see that thing that you yourself are seeing. Very, very important. Let us continue because it will get to it will soon get to the part that we would like to.
Because the sabotage is too much. We have enemy that surround us front and back, so we are trading with caution. So we have to be careful, and we appreciate so far the step that United States of America have taken to let Nigeria know that they will be held accountable. For now, I don't think that Nigeria have more say in United States of America here. So very soon we'll be having more engagement.
He don't think, not that Nigerians don't have. You don't think because of Elias, isn't it? Or what exactly do you think you yourself are doing? The issue is that Nkere believe that he is the only voice. If there's anything coming from US, Nkere and his people, they truly believe that this guy is working, is doing everything, and US is paying attention to him. There's a reason why PM is not, using his press release or his broadcast to rain insult on Biafrans. There's a reason why PM behaved the way he carried himself the way he carried himself all this while. It's not as if PM don't know that he don't know those that are doing some of the one or two negative things. He always focus on deal with them privately. But this guy will come out publicly, knowing for the fact that you said you are visiting Capitol here, you are visiting congressmen, you are doing all this, you are doing all that. But each time you on your mic, what comes out from your mouth does not show any iota of love or seriousness. We are getting there, like I told you. Please just keep on, let's keep going.
Engagement that we Biafra will be happy to hear the outcome. Is cooking, but the Nigerian terrorists, they cannot smell what we are cooking.
Okay.
But we Biafrans can smell it.
He already mentioned a few weeks from now. So today's date is 18th of August. So few weeks from now, which means less than a month. I'm just saying, I would like to know the update, and I will still remind us this day. Trust me. I will still remind us this day.
You can smell it. Biafra is here. I always use that word, Biafra is here, because my spirit is so high, seeing what is going on, seeing the result from Washington, D.C. I'm, positively happy about how everything is going. For what happened in Finland, that's supposed to also help us to wisen up, to know that what we are doing is not effective. Why do you think the EU collaborated or colluded with Finland and Nigeria to call our prime minister for so-called question? Ask yourself, since our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped from Kenya, have you heard any news or from anywhere that China Sanwo-Olu, the Nigerian government, have put bounty on his head, or they are looking for him, or even I believe Chinas are living in Kuwait or somewhere? Have any news that these people, like if they are threat to Nigeria, they always travel to Nigeria every time. So that tells you that they are nobody. That tells you that they are working with the Nigerian terrorist state. And what about what is this other useless man that live in where this food called a Mamadu live in Switzerland? What is his name again? These fools like this, you easily forget about their name because they are just nobody. Chike Doziem, do travel to Nigeria. Why haven't he been arrested? Or have you ever heard or hear that they are looking for Chikedozie? That tells you that these people, they are not fighting for Biafra. So two grandmasters that they are holding right now, our leader Mazin Nandikan, because he's genuinely fighting for his people's freedom.
You see, that is why I said that I don't like when I started. I said I'm not here to attack you, to insult you, but let us just make common sense from what you are saying. That's why we are here. So, are you saying now that Nigeria have actually placed bounty on your own head? You is that what you're saying, or Nigerians are now looking? Nigerian government is now looking for you? I doubt. Okay, who among all the people that you mentioned so far and those that you have not mentioned, because we are going to mention them, of course, especially COS. How many of them have you seen that sue each other, like sue you or sue, or you think that PM don't know how to sue Chikedozie or sue Asayoba, who that use his video, his broadcast to insult PM, then calling him names? They are all living in Europe. But you in America, you are able to sue somebody who lives in America, and even those that live in Africa. Where is your own bounty? I would like to know. I'm not here to defend Chikedozie. Chikedozie, when Nigerian government print at list of those that they see as terrorists. Remember the one very, very big names they brought out a few years ago. Chikedozie name was there. PM was there. And Mazamakano, is already with them. On issue of Chikedozie then, Chikedozie and his group decided to fight back using Nigerian courts with Ifeanyi Ejiofor. And after that court case, according to the report, that he won the case and they actually paid him, compensation. Nigerian compensation these days is just a theory. It is not practical. They will it's on paper. I'm just saying, for those of us that know what I'm talking about, we are here. Our own is to tell you the truth. That does not mean that Chikedozie is a freedom fighter. Don't get me wrong. What it means is that they see him as someone maybe that people, quote unquote, claim that he is a next in line, Thomas Namaricano, and the best thing to do is to go after him or just add him in the list anyway. They add him in the list before PMO, but all the energy and all the arsenal was on PM, not on Chikedozie. Because I get the point. Nigeria have not called any meeting to Swedish ambassador to see how they can repatriate Chikedozie, not at all. But they spend a lot of money, connect with our own brothers and sisters to make sure they get PM by any means necessary. They even place bounty on the PM, just like they place on Mazambican. But they just add Chikedozie there just for formality. It is a formality, I know. The issue of him traveling back home or not, I'm not sure. I don't know. I can't say that. But in my mind, I can swear that you yourself have traveled than him. Because this is your video where you are holding cutlass with palm leaf and shouting Amazon. I don't know if you remember the video. I don't think I still have it here on this here on my system. But maybe if I search, I may. You remember the video, right? Are you trying to tell us that video you shot it maybe 1993 or 1992? Or okay, maybe is it AI also? You never can tell. But don't tell me it's old video. Reason why that your video is not old video, in my own analysis, is you mentioned Amazon. Because you did that video when COS and USB put the African Constitution in Amazon. And your way of response or mocking that act, that move, is that video that you did. Now, that's number one, meaning that video is recent video. Then, the environment where you did that video, it cannot be in America. It's not in America. I don't think he's in America. I don't believe he's in America. The environment is in Africa. One of the reasons why I can assure you or I believe that that video is you shot that video back in our homeland, is because that video throughout that week and upper week in your own fundraising, you normally appear in your people group gathering. You don't on your camera. You make a speech, your camera blocked, meaning that you are hiding the background, the environment where you are. You are not prepared to make a video and then you are having a series of network issue. Hello, APM, are you there? Can you hear us? I think APM has gone. Okay, hello, APM. Okay, let's go for APM. Madam Nkere, continue. That's what we are doing. Then I know that you are battling with Bongo Network. This is my own analysis. I'm not saying that what I'm saying is 100% correct, but in my only two ways, the way I see things, this is it. So the choice is yours to believe or not. But this is where I did my own. I have not come out to analyze that. We just laugh at it because I'm not wishing that Nigeria should lay hand on you. That's why I don't want to analyze it. I'm not like you, like many Biafrans, because the priority is not about how many people that you report and you have Nigerian to chase after anybody. Nigerian government are not chasing that. That's why they are not chasing people like you think. It's only when our people that are Igbo people that is working with DSS or Igbo people in the Babago or in Udogachi are the one doing it out of animosity. You guys think you can do this? I will show you. Not from order from above. The only order that comes from federal to go after people is when any issue that has to do with their siblings in our bushes. That is where they will turn red eyes on you. But you are a Biafran, this and go and check. Many people that have been arrested, they have issue with another person in Biafra land. That is when they always go after. They started sneaking, trying to sneak in to know where you are, where you're from, what are you doing, because they want to go after you. Not that Nigerian government, they couldn't sleep last night because of your activities. Mass Namakano own, yes, because Mass Namakano own, federal government they started panicking about it, just like PM. Ask yourself, why is it that they ignore Chikedozem and focus all their arsenal on PM? Because PM is the one touching them, everyone. Do you understand it? So I know this is my own belief, and like I said, everybody have their own way. Let's hear him more.
That is why he was kidnapped. He was not kidnapped so that they would treat him like king. They kidnapped him to stop the freedom that he's fighting for, to stop this great cause. That's the reason why they kidnapped him. And they call.
If you are just joining us, first thing you need to do is to hit the like button. Very, very important that you do so. Very, very important. Hit the like button in case, but you have done it before. Please don't do it again. You are taking the one that you used, that you hit before. Just like it, like the video, and make sure you share it to other platform or other group of your choice.
Our Prime Minister for so-called question to stop our redeclaration and to also stop our freedom. So that will tell you who is on the right path. So we always want to be careful and tread with caution. And for the propaganda that was flying this week about the armed proposal that Nigeria submit to United States.
Before you talk about the arms, let me just quickly say this before you go there. You talked about, you made mention of something like PM, how they connive and arrest PM and all that. Can you also tell us, do you mind to tell us why do you change the Brgie registration before PM was called for that questioning? What did you know? Is there anything hidden about PM or about this movement that you know that pushed you to tamper that registration before that day that PM was called for questioning? Because your move actually shows concern. If you don't see anything ahead, why acting when you acted? Why? I am saying this because you will hear him emphasizing on his action, his and the amendment that he made back then in, I think in June, June of this year, June. But he forgot to mention that the first move that he made to change or to edit anything in that document took place back then, 16th of September 2024. PM was still here. PM was here with us as of that time, and you paid money for to speed it up. There's a way that I always forgot this word that Nigeria we use it in Nigeria for express. That's the word for express. You paid for express to do it quick, fast. Because people that live in America have told me that some of them say that this kind of amendment will not cost the amount that you have there in your indirect receipt, meaning that you paid for express. Why rushing? Why were you in rush? Why? Is it a coincidence that after doing this thing, PM was taken? That is where after that I was like, this guy could, maybe you know what happened to PM. That is me. I don't need to lie about it.
Any country can approach United States, say they want to buy arms from them. Then they will take your paperwork or they will acknowledge it. That don't mean that they are.
Okay, Oluchi Akachuku, I just noticed you. Please, does anyone know the name of our ambassador in Washington D.C.? Okay, Oluchi Akachuku. The problem I have with people like you is that you don't argue, like someone that can reason, like normal human being. The only thing that provoked me in what you said here, this is your comment now. My anger here, from what you just said now, is your name, Oluchi Akachuku. Assuming that your name is maybe Abdulsalam Abubakar or Danjuma, that kind of thing, I would have relaxed my mind. But seeing you as an able person and your brain is no longer with you, and I myself cannot help you. Had it been that I have something to help you, I would have loved to help you as a brother, as a sister. I don't know if you're a man or a woman. But your comment, you see all this nonsense you write here, it doesn't move me. But my problem is your name. Why must we have people like you? That your brain is no longer with you. Now, let me reply you a little bit as a brother, as a sister. Okay? You said here, can report what is your business with Brgie, with the Brgie government document? I thought we are now a sovereign nation called the USB. It still goes back to my problem with you. This is your name. If just imagine that your name is something else, I wouldn't have bothered at all. But I say, but your brain is not. Who actually kidnapped you? Because your brain cannot be taken away. It must be kidnapped as an able person. Who kidnapped your brain? Is it Nkere? Is it Nkere that kidnapped your brain? Why is it difficult for you to use your brain? Or maybe Nampaki go to the outro and exchange your brain with the outro, maybe a Pino go to the jargon and not being like to cook. What is wrong with you? What is the Brgie that you're talking about? And who actually own the Brgie? Nkere is not the owner, no more PM. Are you aware of it? Are you aware that Nkere is the owner? And his reason is not justifiable. Because of if you are in charge, why are you panicking? If this belongs to you, I'll be panicking that we want to take my father's compound. Why? When I know that it is mine. Current concern is mine. You guys
prove it. There is a process. A lot of countries, when they do something like that, they are denying. So Nigeria now, US now will thoroughly look into this terrorist country called Nigeria case and see if they will sell the arms to Nigeria or not. Congress will block it. So, and hopefully, by this grace of Chukwu Kikabia, our God, we have our lobby. They are familiar with Washington. And
hopefully they will block it.
Politics, how he played it. And Jim Mora, he served in U.S. Congress for over 24 years. That's a long time. He's a good guy. So we'll do everything possible to block this arms sale. So Nigeria, we know that Biafra Republic government in Ezra is stepping up the game. They can't bully us. So whatever they're thinking that any relation, their relationship with America.
Just, I hope what you said is true. I don't want you to come back here and start ranting. The world is corrupt. The world is corrupt. The American government chose to focus on the resources of our land. I don't want to see that lamentation. I don't need it to. Since you have told us now that you have lobby that can stop this selling of arms to Nigeria and all that. Of course, I know even if they did it cannot be only from you, because I know USB also is doing the same thing. Even though you claim that USB they are reaching out only to local Congress people. We are getting there because you say something like that in this video. So let's continue.
It would be so strong like before. Whatever, it's not going to happen. So please just keep doing what you are doing. Keep fighting. We appreciate everyone. We are the 9th hour. We are very, very, very close. I know what I'm talking about.
Namo de Basel. Your question is it Kai? Let me bring it up. You're talking about the Oluchi of a guy. Oh, he said, ask the person what their ATM went to Finland to do on November 2024. My brother, you cannot. Your question? You know why I'm not going to ask that question is because there's no way you ask somebody who have mental issue to go and get his medicine. Let me repeat myself. You cannot see somebody that is have mental problem that is on chain. You cannot ask the person, oh yeah, stand up, go inside and bring your medicine so you take your medicine. A mad person. No. So asking that question is beyond his is beyond his reason. The genesis of his madness is from there. So somebody who is not sound mentally, you can't ask the person to go and get your medicine and drink. No, you'll be the one to go and bring it because you are helping him to regain his senses. So I don't need to throw more questions that will send his brain back to exile because I don't need to ask a question. Ojayoma we got feel that patatic in the end of night fall back. If you have to feel like the Galilea, the corner no just no, but you know we're not normal. It's not normal. It's not normal. So I don't need to ask that question. Is to help him. Sometimes you allow him to run the mind very, very well before, so that when the medicine come, when he regain his senses, he will understand what to do and how to go about it. A madman is a mad person. Is a mad person. You cannot just expect person to start acting as if he's normal. Then there's no need to take medicine then.
Very close. Even when I spoke with our prime minister yesterday morning, Saturday. Yeah.
Oh,
so
I did not hear this part. So you actually spoke with PM again. Wow. And after this program, I'm going to copy him. We are going to talk. We have to talk. H community change NSF.
Actually, he put it that where he is now, he's in school. So he's learning a lot. After he concluded, he was saying history, CIS. He said he's in school, so he learned more. He got to know more. And with this period of time, all the sabos just exposed. All of them. These are the same people that said the prime minister cannot talk to me. He's angry with me. Can't even call me. So he called. Yeah. So not everything I will say, but I'll tell you.
Even when they were saying that that PM cannot call you, you can't call PM. I have not seen any of your broadcasts, like one of your videos. You have not made a video that is 15 minutes. Let's say the 15 minutes that you did not mention that PM. It's either you call PM or PM call you. Two things must be involved. And let me, because we don't actually pay attention to what he said that PM told him. They were cracking joke. Wow. That means you actually know everything about it. Okay, very good, very good.
guy. So we'll do everything possible to block this arms sale.
Okay.
So Nigeria, we know that Biafra Republic government in Ezra is stepping up the game. They can't bully us. So whatever they're thinking that any relation, their relationship with America would be so strong like before, whatever, is not going to happen. So please just keep doing what you are doing. Keep fighting. We appreciate everyone. We are the ninth hour. We are very, very, very close. I know what I'm talking about. Very close. Even when I spoke with our Prime Minister yesterday morning, Saturday.
Okay. Just was okay. Yesterday morning, is it morning? Okay. You spoke with the PM yesterday. Even I spoke with the PM. If you go to jump on at that story, that is nothing. It has nothing to do with arms struggle, selling of arms. How can they go where? He quickly moved to the Oluchi. Please, any of you that have spanner, don't block Oluchi. Leave him. Yeah, na platform here. Come okay, look at what. Please, I'm coming back to Nkere. Please don't be angry. Look at what when I said that Oluchi Akachuku breaking. Please, can anyone tell me where can I register my name in Biafra land for our ongoing USB governorship election in Afia? In Afia now. So that's to tell you again and go. Just leave him, please. Nobody should block him. Don't block him. Leave him. Don't worry. Leave him.
So, he actually he put it that where he is now, he's in school. So he's learning a lot. After he concluded, he was seeing history, CIS.
In Anya, that PM told him that he's in school. And the PM has said na history that he's learning a lot. Na history that he's not learning a lot. Yes. Okay.
He said he's in school, so he learned more. He got to know more. And with this period of time, all
no problem.
Just exposed. All of them. These are the same people that said the Prime Minister cannot talk to me. He's angry with me. Can't even call me. So he called, So not everything I will say, but I'll tell you that we are in the right path. And if you look at the other side, all they do is to lie. They are not. They say something today, tomorrow they're doing something else. After every,
there's a reason why I made the video that I made earlier today. That I am tired of their lies. I am tired. I am somebody who is an arm robber. That even his picture of him holding arms, even his video where he's engaging himself with a robbery operation, everything is, you can even since if you have captured you, will be the first person to come out to tell you that ndị oshi ndị aka akpa ndị ojabanaga ndị oji egbe ezu emene mmadụ ncha n'obodo a. Ọkwa somebody well satisfied onye aka akpa onye oji egbe ezu will be the first to raise an alarm to tell you, look, like why is such a Majan? Somebody now what with the Nebu Majan original, well known, satisfied, and licensed, will be the first to raise an alarm. Look at him here. Let me take it back a bit. This guy even if he can say if you can cash, let's
grace of Chukukika be our God. We have our lobby. They are familiar with Washington and the game and the politics, how he played it. And
I'm not going to take it back.
He served in U.S. Congress for over 24 years. That's a long time. He's a good guy.
Forget about
we'll do everything possible to block this arms sale.
Amen.
So Nigeria, we know that Biafra Republic government in Ezra is stepping up the game. They can't bully us.
Okay.
So whatever they're thinking that any relation, their relationship with America would be so strong like before, whatever, it's not going to happen. So please just keep doing what you are doing. Keep fighting. We appreciate everyone. We are the ninth hour. We
Then
are very close. I know what I'm talking about. Very close.
Okay.
Even when I spoke with our prime minister yesterday morning, Saturday.
Mm.
So, you know, he actually he put it that where he is now, he's in school.
Okay.
So he's learning a lot.
Everybody's learning.
After he concluded, he was saying history, CIS. He said he's in school, so he learned more. You know, he got to know more. And with this period of time, all the sabos just exposed. You know, all of them. These are the same people that said the prime minister cannot talk to me. He's angry with me. Can't even call me. So he called. Yeah. So not everything I will say, but I'll tell you that we are in the right path. And if you look at the other side, all they do is to lie. They are not, they say something today, tomorrow they're doing something else. After everything, how they try to bring me down, I must get Nkere.
So, okay, since you other parts, their own is to tell lies, right? Okay. Let us remember some of your words in the past. Let us, let me just say, you spoke with the PM for 30 minutes and PM's wife, you invited her to promote you. Then mistakenly, because she was not well informed about what you have said before. That is exposed, you talked about, she exposed you. You remember that, right? And not only that, you said that there's no money in the account. The money in the account that is made for Biafra in exile, the account there, that there's no money in that account. The person that have access to the account, but the person cannot, I don't know if she or he cannot cash out, but at least the person have access to know the balance, can log in to see the balance in the account. Went there, find out there's $68,000 in account that you said there's no money in the account anymore. You started calling for fundraising to raise money to solve problem in Finland, because they called you that there's something they need to pay money for when days before the convention. You started hosting meeting as what? Are you a leader? CS is there. You just cornered her and called for a meeting, emergency meeting. You called it. Then, speaking of lies, then when the person then logged in and was able to take a screenshot and send it to cabinet members, of course, your mushroom eyes in cabinet rushed and told you, look at what is going on in cabinet. They started running away. You don't want to attend the meeting anymore. So if you are not lying, can you explain to us? I thought, Gina, what is going on? I thought you said they have blocked this Oluchi. Why am I still seeing the comment here again? Yes, the comment is new. I thought you said you have blocked this person. Or maybe you don't know how to block or what? Or I think, okay, let me time the person out. There was some people are complaining about the comment. Let me time him out. Oluchi, talk to us in the next 30 minutes. Okay? If you come back again, keep on putting this kind of comment, I will give you 24 hours. I'm not gonna block you out from the channel, but I will time you out for that. Means you can only watch without commenting. If you want to comment, or maybe you want to say something, when we put the link, you can come here and make your opinion politely without insult. You can educate us, you can teach us, we are willing to learn. Maybe we can also follow you to what you believe on. It depends on how good you are in making sure that you explain it to us. So not 40 years. There's no option like that. We can only follow the option that they gave us. We are not the one putting the minutes. The minutes is already there. Your one is to select, the time. Okay, you can't put 40 years. That is a block now. Okay, let's go back. So speaking of lies that this guy is talking about, there are many other things you have said in the past, and not only you, God. There's a way God will work. Honestly, God works in a mysterious way. Do you know that this guy here, this video called Imam Madabo a liar? And truly, Imam Madabo is a liar. What makes Imam Madabo a liar? Just Imam Madabo was trying to protect him by lying to Biafrans. And now he wants Biafrans to see him as honest person. Then Imam Madabo is not a liar. Then who created the office of APM to you? We are getting there, my people. Hold on.
I don't know. They believe they made me who I am. They did not. If I did not accept the APM, who?
Now he's telling you that Imam Madabo and Co did not make him who he is. That they are lying to people. That they made him APM. Therefore, that they did not make him. That he is APM today because no other person that is fit to become APM. Academic Highness was yesterday on their space. Was it yesterday or the day before? I can't remember the date, to be honest. But I heard him saying that the Eggman claimed that nobody challenged Nkere, that Nkere was handpicked to become APM, that did not happen, that election did not, that's not like the election, that nobody contested, that he was handpicked, and they made him APM. Imam Madabo came out and told Biafrans that Biafran has spoken. What does that tell you? How can Biafran speak when you did not contest the election? They set that memo, that the memo, you have to meet the criteria. The person must be somebody that PM have introduced to Biafran Liberation Army that know the security of Biafrans and know everything. That person is qualified to become APM. Because they don't want to jeopardize the security and all that nonsense. They said them. Then Nkere, proving that he don't know anything about men on ground. It was Eggman that connected him to success, that introduced him to Biafran Liberation Army. The other camp is lying. The other people are lying. That the Imam Madabo and his CRC group are pure liar today because of you. I'm not saying they don't lie in other things, but the one that is in Nkere, all because of you as an ATM. Now, listen to him so you can hear how he's trying to discredit all the effort that Imam Madabo and Co have done for him. I think I'm talking too much because I don't know the videos you have not even touched it half.
Among them, is he a Imam Madabo that hardly bring his face, that even don't want to show his face on media? Is he a Imam Madabo that is so scared? Is he a Imam Madabo that liar Muhammad of saboteur?
Please, my people, in case if you are just joining us, hit the like button. We are trying to know how many of you that can support us by hitting the like button, by clicking on the like button, like the video in case if you let me assume that you forgot. Please like the video, okay?
Or is it the tomboy woman called Chioma that manipulate, that would like to sit you for 2-3 hours to lecture you, dominate you, try to control you? Or is it who? Joy Irobi? While we are in Finland, Joy Irobi came to me putting pressure that I should go and work with Ngozi, the same Joy Irobi. He even said that she will never forgive me, Joy Irobi, that she will never forgive me because I refuse to bow down to Ngozi, the same Joy Irobi. In Finland, she even like kneeling down, begging me, the same Joy Irobi. Biafrans, what do you think would have happened if I have go to Ngozi, say, okay?
You see, it's always good for you to maintain your stand, honestly. So if that woman did that and later joined you with your Brgie fall back, that means she's very, very weak. A woman that was trying to convince you to join her together and form the new government, and you refuse because in your own little way, your own mind, your own little world, you are the one, the owner of Biafra, owner of Brgie, owner of everything. Oh, okay, now for one. People.
These are people that, and the same people that are claiming that they made me APM who I am, when we find ourselves in a tough a tough time or a serious challenge, or how to bail out what we need, what we need to do to make sure we use the venue. Why none of these people that make me APM step up and do what I did then? Why none of them?
So you actually appreciate someone stepping up to do something. That is a plus. So because you step up, that means you qualify to become APM. Then who step up to declare Biafra? Who step up to address Biafrans when PM was kidnapped, was arrested? Who? You ignore that part. Then you want to talk about who step up when they're looking for who will wage war against USB. So and you are counting that as an achievement. Strong man. I remember when this guy was questioning COS for going to Finland early. What did she go there to do? I remember. But it was fair that deprived of many of you to go there until she went there. Then you now know that, oh, road is clear. Let us now go. And here now we are talking about where we're there when you step up. Where were you when you step up? Speaking of stepping up to do something, and you want to add yourself before, hey, God, wow. Okay.
So sometimes that's why I'm saying, if these people don't turn around and stop sabotaging what we are doing, the cause of the land, evil that they have caused, things that they have done that have killed hundreds or thousands of Biafra, their blood will be on their head. They will never be.
Very powerful question from Daniel Oswala. He said they begged him, please, when did he start changing the documents? Was it before they begged him? Was it before they begged him? Do you understand? You cannot, that's why, and he's here telling you that people are lying. A man that cannot even make two sentences without showing the flag, I'm a liar. Hi guys, your liar is here. That is it. Everything you say, just imagine that where were ask people, where were you when I step up? Wow. I know how they insulted their papa, that I said that by default. When I said that CS is a leader by default, let's assume that nothing like COS in Brgie. Let's assume once PM was arrested, all of them started looking down like what a toast. Na isazi wole ukune safe na katazi akwonya na some of them started acting shy until she addressed Biafrans and addressed the world. That it doesn't matter what is going on, that we are going to Finland. Like play, yeah, Finland. From America. Imam Adabo was very close country to Switzerland. Why didn't him go? The conflict resume committee. At least okay, no, I don't have a conflict. There's a conflict going on there now. Okay, they can go to first. But all Dodge got Alfanja. Eggman was busy in Italy. Okay, our CS is there. Okay, this lady said, after praising her in your mind, but you come out and act as if she have done something terrible.
Forgiving, because some of them are doing what they are doing knowingly, not unknowingly. Whoever is doing what he's doing unknowingly might be forgiven. But those that are doing what they are doing knowingly, they will not be forgiven.
Okay.
There's too much lie, too many lies.
We have somebody here that said, speaking of forgiveness, where is that your comment? Is it Nkere? Yeah. Look at it here on the screen. My family and I will never forgive Nkere. And I will never forgive Nkere for ruling our joy. 5 days post Biafra declaration. Thank you. After that's post Biafra declaration. That's why I called them joy killers. Thank you, my sister, for remembering that. That's why I call them joy killers. Aim at the joy. I'm a good Monday to one they follow on social media. Now if you hand it, that they were preaching to their people. Can I support quite these people? That once they are succeeded, now their own will be very, very easy. And mom, this guy, Isi Akubeke. This is Akubeke, not just no. I'm not one corner where blue nowhere where McBean at the whole team. Anyway, because we still have a lot to talk.
Said about me that is not true, and they know it's not true. Around January, there's something that happened. I was having discussion with Imam Madullah Muhammad and Tomboy, Chioma Bryson. And
but some men need to learn something, you know. You see the level of insult. I prefer to reply a woman, like when a woman is very, very abusive, maybe in her, the way in her words, in her actions. Yeah, then you may give her a chance to kind of realign her word, or just to change make some amendment. No matter what, you don't need to call the woman tomboy. Now what and Nkere. You don't need to. It's not. This is somebody's wife. Somebody's wife. Yes, I'm not in support of some of her actions, her decisions, but you don't need to happen. I'm going to know why it's such a any go. They can't work a way they can. My child, man, I don't know why it's such any man that if you using some word against a woman is if maybe I don't know who and why he's such a good especially why he's such a and that when you go over where this Jaka where my boy can they go. She don't talk. So calling her top boy is a no for me.
You know, we came to where during our discussion. If something happened to me right now, or maybe I'm not available for a minute or hours, who will
I'm strong to answer your question. Is that why is this guy no longer shouting? Oh, because I have to work with my brother. You should not this. Even on a character, I want to go with for hours. It's not this now. This is him. Even on a shot to please him, get up. So often I make up on about Zulu can like what kind of thing. So all this one I shot to please Coca keep on about criminals now.
On Monday, I don't know with that old food morning, Saturday. So they try to lead us and dump us somewhere that we cannot retreat or we cannot come out of. Let's just take the case study of what happened between them and the independent medias. When they campaign and champion the independent medias, that the independent media will be their savior, they team up to fight against Brgie, not to bring me down, to bring us down. Where are the independent media today? They brought Adonu with that old fool that turned to sabotage of this century. She had Ngozi Orebeze put us in this mess with the crazy woman in France. They put us in this mess. They destroy a lot of Biafran's mind. And I don't know how they will reverse it. How do you think you will bring a woman that is not part of Brgie? I don't know. She's not part of Brgie. to come and be in Brgie account. Who reinstated her? She's not even reinstated by the APM, because as far as our Prime Minister is not here, I'm representing him. So even if she's going to be reinstated, I'm supposed to know about it. CRC don't have the power. Advisory Committee don't have the power to reinstate. I don't know. And they might think because he's CRC chairman, even in the zoo, Nigeria.
Armstrong, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for your donation. I really appreciate it. The guy is finished. We can never forgive him. Or people naturally can forgive him. Of course, now. Of course. I don't know. So, sometimes he talks like as if he's God or something like that. I will never forgive. I will never forgive you.
INEC chairman can never be. They don't have the power over the presidency or.
Now he's not talking about Imam Madab official. That he can never be more important than most period than the government himself. Yes. You want to form ATM. If you're going to bonus now.
Don't have the power to govern. They just have a limited power on that committee that they oversee or oversight. Now, this group colluded with the independent media about accountability. And they talk about opening a new account, doing this, doing that. So what is going on now, my fellow Biafrans? They are fighting again. The same people that even said why I did not forgive Adadio Rama when she asked for forgiveness. These people went back to their vomit. They are fighting within themselves because their foundation is built of falsely and falsehood. Their foundation is not built with truth. They lie and deceive thousands of Biafran. Please, if you're a Biafran and you are listening to me.
Well, you see the reason why I told Asatina before that this guy actually believed that he's on the right track. Like that he believed that. You see it now. He's not talking about the foundation of CRC, the Fourth Deep Republic, that they built it on a faulty foundation, and to him, his own is on a solid rock. Okay.
This is time for all of us. Please support this freedom. Keep doing what you are doing. When our leader Onyendu was here, and when our Prime Minister
Henry Richard, there's nothing. CRC has been dissolved, my brother. It's just that they are the one using. They must lay hands on something to commit a crime.
When he was here, in less than a few weeks, result in less than a few weeks.
Remember, he said it again, in less than a few weeks. So
not after you now find out, oh, Nkere or Brgie, they are on the right side doing what is right. You will not turn around. So all this time that you have not been supporting, what do you think would have happened if all of us have stepped aside? That means we have given up like Uwazurike. In less than a few weeks, we'll see the result. We know those that are sabotaging what we are doing and the genuine ones. When I call our Prime Minister my boss and don't understand, we have a lot in common. We know how to speak our language. We know, I know what he knows, he knows what I know. We have the same ideology, we have the same goal, just like majority of the genuine people here and both those watching. If you look at the other side, they don't even know where to start from to attack. I'm actually their topic. How many times have I made them my topic? Because as far as I'm concerned, they are not fighting for Biafra. They don't have anything to fight with. And I just want to use this opportunity as well to send a message to this other group using BRGIE on their space.
Okay, you talked about people that you don't use other people as your topic. And you said you don't lie. Remember, you don't lie. We were here when you print names. Biafran, this is your enemy. That was your top. That's a topic. Biafran, know your enemy. Biafrans, know your enemy. You remember that time? So that is not a topic. You don't remember that. You made another video. That was a time also you made a video saying that people should not use Brgie document that you are going to sue. You remember, is a topic as well. So I'm just saying there are many other things, but I'm kind of rushing this video now.
GIE as well is registered the same way Biafra Republic government is registered.
Yeah, thank you, Armstrong. Armstrong, you remind me of something. That PM is him, his PM. The reason I like, they think I like. But how about the action? You are all these things and you don't know about it.
Some of them cannot even afford their rent. Some are asylum seekers, begging for God's mercy, for God to hear their prayer, for things to go well with them. If you know you want God to bless you and you want to excel, you want to be fruitful, disease from evil way. Don't destroy him who do nothing wrong. It won't help. And some people don't believe that what goes around comes around. Whatever seed you sow, that's what you will reap. All these people on this other side of the aisle, cajoling me, all of them, I'm going to lay a serious course. My hands are clean. And God that creates the heaven and earth know who I am. Whatever I speak, He will support me. Disease from your evil way. All of you that have come to destroy this great cause, disease from your evil way. Mark this date. Write it down. If you keep fighting this great cause, fighting against the pioneers of this great cause, you and your generation will be cursed. We are God people. We believe in things of the Spirit, just like the Israelites do. Because according to the Bible that I read, God bless, bless those that are doing His will, and He curses those that are not doing what is right. So even if I curse evil people that have come to slander my name, destroy Brgie, destroy what we are fighting for, that curse will work. If you're one of those from the other side of the space, that these other coup plotters are parading, using it to damage what we are doing, kindly desist from it. Kindly desist from it, because time is coming. I mentioned somebody about a month ago called Ugo 247. I say Ugo 247. After all the propaganda, after all the blackmail against me, time is coming when he will look for me to ask for forgiveness. He better pray that I'll be available to forgive. If not, everything on this earth will work against him. If you know you are one of those with a Fe and Co in that other part of the space, talking ill about the APM Nkere disease from it. Because now that we are fighting, it's not a good time. We are not in good mood to come.
He's just trying to celebrate that.
Don't say what you don't know.
Let me pause it. He's just trying to celebrate that Ugo 247 has resigned. You see, that is what he's trying to do now. So prophecy come to fulfillment. Hey, this guy.
And a lot of these saboteurs always use the word that Nkere want to hijack Brgie. Ask them from Imam Madu to Rubin Nadi People's Club of Nigeria. When they talk about the board of directors, who even make them the board of directors? When I was filling the paperwork, none of them is there. They did not even know. None of them is even there. Ask these fools, do they know how much we used to register Brgie? Nobody, no, except from me. I'm just saying this now. Nobody know how much we spent to read, whether it's a dime. None of them. They call me Aram boy. Yes, I am Aram man for Biafra. I'm working for Biafra. I'm a messenger of Biafra. I'm here to work to restore Biafra. If you don't like it, go to hell. Who among these fools will come and tell me how much do we use to register Brgie? Nobody knows except from me. Who among these fools even give me a dime to register it? I register with my money. Do anybody ask? These fools that are saying, I'm here to hijack Brgie. Some of them don't even contribute a dime. When we come for our weekly fundraising every Saturday, you don't see them. Those that are asking for accountability, what have you contributed? What have you donated? You asking me, you saying I'm here to hijack Brgie. Do you know how we register it? Are you there when the process is done? Is a Mamadu there? No. Is Rubin Nadi there? No. Who among them is there? Who know about it? Who register with me? I and our PM, we on the phone, we talk. And why I'm doing what I'm doing, the system gave you options. I choose the option. They did not choose it for me. Because it don't matter who is the director. It don't matter who is the secretary. It don't matter who is the resident agent. What matters is Biafra. Some say at first he's not there as director. Who registered, who put the names, people to be there? I did. That means if I don't want to put anyone name as of that time, I will not. And there is a time that every Biafra is scared to put their name in what we are doing because they are scared that the Nigerian government might come after them. It's not like now that I have Balamboro. It's not like now that we have, we are more stronger and formidable. There is a time. Some Biafrans, if you ask them to do it, they will say no, they will not. Because some of them do travel to that shithole country. Some don't want their name on it either. There is a time that if you ask a Biafra, get an office and hand the Biafran flag, they will say they cannot do it or they will not do it because they are afraid. I did it. When I get the office at Baltimore, I hang our flag, put my life, my family life, put everything on the line. Do you think The Nigerian government, they can't do research about me and come after me. I understand as well that I'm putting myself in a high risk. But I took this risk.
I'm trying to say that he don't reach cause, he don't dey shout. Hey God, you see, it's all those things. All those things is just it's just to tell you that he is the owner. That you are questioning him because you don't know that from day one that he is the owner. And what makes him the owner is that it is his money, his time, he risks his security, his family and everything, that he's one that put flag there. So all this is makes him the owner. Okay, forget now. So Biafrans don't have money. They don't have anybody to go and mount flag there. They don't know the office to register it. So all these things contributed in him owning that place, and everything about that place belonged to him. All he had again Obi. This is what he had been nursing in his mind all this while. When he said, okay, let me go and change the document. After all, I am the only one, no other person can do it. Look at his hands here. You remember when Eggman and their group was telling their friends that putting hand like this means that you are for jihad. You remember? Look at his that one. Hi, people don't see who shake. I remember that time that COS, you know, each time she talk, she always do like this. That means that she's trying to bring Islamization. That is all about Islamization. Look at it, but all of them are doing so. Anyway, let's continue.
For Biafra, some of these fools that don't even know how we start. Me and our Prime Minister Mazin Simon Eba, we don't care who is president, director, agent, this secretary. It don't matter. What matter is our freedom. What matter is results.
If that is what matter truly, then why are you vibrating? Why are you angry? Why? Because from the excuses that you gave now, simply means that you when you pay that place, when you according to you, because PM and Biafran that are involved need to talk as well. If the money is your money alone, I think that's a place. I don't know if I passed that place where he talked, where he said that COS said there's a place where he talked about COS. I don't know if I passed that place where he said that what COS said is a lie. That before the formation of government, that the Nkere is already finance minister. Okay, now I have a brand new. Before the formation, listen, before the formation of the government in exile, that Nkere is already the finance minister. I hope we have not passed that place because I really want to dwell on that.
I did not join this struggle for fame. I did not join this struggle for position. I did not join this struggle to be known.
Really?
I joined this struggle because I want us to be free. Because I've been in Western world almost all my life.
Okay.
I want a better life for Biafran people. I want us to be free. That is the reason why I joined this struggle. Finance Minister, I never asked for it. And let me use this opportunity to address Ngozi too. Ngozi Orabeze, in her speech during her fundraising yesterday, she said she'd been in this struggle for 4 years. That's a lie. Even if she in this struggle for 4 years ago, actually 2 years ago, 3 years ago, she was campaigning for Ifan Yoba. So she want to tell me why she's saying, oh, hey, Biafra.
This one is a lie from pit of hell. Lie. TCS did not campaign for anybody while working with the PM. Pure lie. This is a man that just told us that other group are lying. I told you he can't make this. He cannot make 10 minutes video without lying. It is not possible.
And why we are saying no election in Biafra land, Ngozi Orabeze is campaigning for Ifan Yoba or Ifan Yoba. She and Ruben Nadi. And she said 4 years ago she be.
Wait, say it again, because I think there's something that he wanted to say here, then he realized the damage. Wait.
Life for Biafran people. I want us to be free.
Okay.
That is the reason why I joined this struggle. Finance Minister, I never asked for it. And let me use this opportunity to address Ngozi too. Ngozi Orabeze, in her speech during her fundraising yesterday, she said she'd been in this struggle for 4 years. That's a lie. Even if she in this struggle for 4 years ago, actually 2 years ago, 3 years ago, she was campaigning for Ifan Yoba.
Lie.
So she want to tell me why she's saying, oh, hey, Biafra. And why we are saying no election in Biafra land. Ngozi Orabeze is campaigning for Ifan Yoba or Ifan Yoba. She and Ruben Nadi. And she said 4 years ago she'd been in the struggle.
She and her group, Nen. She and her group, Nen. Who is that person, Nen? My man is saying that he want to add Ruben Nadi, but let's continue.
4 years ago, she not. But when she joined the struggle, she's still campaigning in Nigeria. She's still part of Nigeria political party.
The same accusation that people use against PM. I told you, this guy is just following the template of DOS. The same thing, the same accusation. Almost everything they said against PM, him and his group have exhausted all of them.
Is she the one who will bring Biafra for you? Is she now the one who is genuine? While we are fighting, preaching, there is no election in Biafra land. Ngozi Orabeze and Ruben Nadi. They are kicking against us. They are campaigning for Nigerian political parties.
Liar.
Ngozi Orabeze, you are a sabo. You are sent by a Nigerian agent. And she went on to address the issue of about Azoka, and when Azoka had problem, our PM now said I should take over finance minister. That happened after the government is formed. It happened after like 6 or 7 months. And before then, I'm already the finance minister. I'm finance minister starting from 2023, March. Why the issue or problem with Ngozi Orabeze and Azoka? That was September. I'm already the finance minister. She just lied to use that to deceive her gullible ones. That our prime minister say, okay, since Azoka is sacked, I should not be the finance minister. Then Solomon Nkwasha will be the defense minister. Say who? That is not truth. I'm the finance minister from day one when the government is formed, of which I'm part of those who formed the government. Please, because of time, and I know those from Homeland, they are using data because they still live in a, we haven't fully get our country back. In due time, they will be able to have unlimited data, just like the Western world, whereby you pay once a month and you have free unlimited data and all that. I will be wrapping up. I just want to let my fellow Biafrans know, when you ready, use your tongue, count your teeth. Those that are fighting me, leave me alone. And for all the saboteur, I will deal with all of you. Brgie will use me to deal with all of you. All of you must not go unpunished. I said it last week. Even if our prime minister come out and say forgive them, our leader Mazin Namdi come and say forgive them, I will not forgive. They have put me through hell. I know what I'm going through daily, trying to make sure that Brgie is standing. If we have followed Ngozi Orabe's playbook, exactly what this fool called Wazirike did, that's what will happen. Exactly what Allen Onyema did when Allen was negotiating between Nigeria and Niger Delta Avengers. That is the playbook of Ngozi Orabe. If we follow what Imam Madu...
Somebody said I should talk now. What do you want me to say, my brother? Are you not enjoying this comedy? So you don't, what do you want me to say? You want me to interrupt this comedian? You... Oh my goodness. See, people are laughing. People that know what she's doing, they are laughing. And you're telling me to say, where's that your comment? The Kai talk now. Where's no. Where's that your comment just now? I said Kai report talk now. And this is your comment. So I say Kai talk now. What do you want me to say? You are hearing your brother now. Are you not? And he called was Rick name. Okay, enough. Gwami if it was Rick Melina maybe. Carry out himself. Mention one thing. At least was Rick, he's the one that started it. Ogi has not faced any challenge. You understand? So just allow him to entertain us. Is very funny. The issue of Madam Azokan, what you said, this guy thinks that people are fool, or maybe he thinks that people are very senseless. I don't know who is who, which one will come first, which one don't come first. But all I know is that one, Madam Azokan was not sacked, right? She is the one that decided to resign. She was suspended, yes. Then when she decided to go, Nkwacha took over, which is Solomon Nkwacha, the current defense secretary now, which this person called Wayi Socha. Wayi Socha said that he's a saboteur. That he is a saboteur. Remember that Nkwacha is a saboteur. That now when PM was here, they were so that is even one of the video of Nkere when he called someone meeting for emergency fundraising. That time he claimed there's no money in his account. If you listen to that video, you will notice that the Nkwacha was there live. He donated $300, and he is the one that made me to know that Nkwacha has been holding this position when PM was here. Because I was actually I thought that he just took over after PM arrest. Makani could also change everything. That part also is not like part of it. Like because why Isoja and Eggman that she changed everything because I really changed everything. The current security chief, okay, has been there since day one. One of the reasons why Isoja said that in one of the when she was trying to label him bad, paint him culture bad, there's something she said that all the assignment, even this one said it too, that all the assignment given to him to execute in homeland, that he failed. You jump from finance minister to analyze security issue. Nobody know how to build government. That's all the fact, and I don't quite blame them because we have not been there for a very long time from day one. So that's why other tribes like Hausa and Fulani and Yoruba, they know how to get it. They may get it right than our people. Okay.
And the tomboy, Chioma, Brgie, and her group.
This guy is very, very abusive.
That is exactly by now everything will have collapsed. When we told them that the independent medias, they are not fighting for the interests of Biafra, they did not listen to us. The independent medias are the same people that try to destroy Brgie. They are the same people that discourage a lot of Biafrans from even supporting. They are the same people that talk about they should go and open a new account. They are the same people that said, let's support with I don't know, they will be able to do this or do that. Please, if you are a true Biafran, remain where you are. Be truthful to yourself. But all those that have made Mazio Gechukwu Nkere their topic, the air you breathe will work against you. The water you drink will turn to poison. Every nation, everything in this earth will work against you. Whoever that have come to destroy our freedom, this world, everything that you love so much will turn to pain and agony. Some of you are so evil after seeing what is happening in Biafra land, how the Nigerian terrorists, how they are killing Biafrans. You are turned blind eye.
Coming from someone that actually told Biafra Liberation Army to stop operating. You remember that? Coming from a person like that. You are laying calls on people because you think that is a normal thing, the right thing to do. I don't know where you are, if any Yegimora, but it's not, I'm not in position to respond to that because if you are referring to me, for example, it will bounce back on you. One, because I'm not a saboteur. So if you're talking about independent media said that, you know who you are referring to as independent media because why Isocha said that she is, and if you are talking to her, yeah, I can relate. You're supposed to do that. You're supposed to.
Still fighting those that are working hard day and night to save Biafran life.
All right, so we are now in 2 hours. So I decided to run 2 hours on this particular video. We have not finished it, but we are going to end it here. So I will just welcome a few people. If there's anybody that want to comment, then we are not going to spend much time, talking on this. So please, if you have any comment to make, please. I think I need to time this one, so it not be something like will take everybody long time to participate. If you want to say something, the time is now. You can join us sharply.
What you don't know,
It's bigger
don't
than
talk
you.
about it. What you're not sure of, ask questions. But all of you that are going to space, calling my name, making me your topic, joy will not come from your household.
In Anogwa.
All of you that are destroying the name of this humble servant of Biafra.
Okay.
Knowingly, not unknowingly, knowingly, your household, your family, agony, sorrow, pain will be your portion. What you don't know, ask question. Call me, ask me question, let me clarify.
Mo, you're welcome, Madam Origin, you're welcome. Let's hear from you.
Yes.
Good day to you. Oh, good morning. It should be morning your time.
Oh, quite. Yeah, it's just afternoon with a few minutes. I greet everybody. I greet all well-meaning Biafrans, and to you, Mr. Kai. Thank you for what you do.
You're welcome.
You see, I just want to kind of, there's a note that our Deputy Prime Minister, Dr. Ngozi Orebweze, said. He said, we need to be careful and we must ask questions, which kind of Biafra we are looking for. It says, and if this is all I submit, I think I'm fine. She said, everyone seeking for Biafra must tell Biafrans on the who they are seeking.
I have actually done a video on this. After that video will be on air.
Oh, okay.
Just continue.
Okay, so under the likes of Benjamin Madubugo, Chila Samoro, IPOB, and mention them, and this guy here, and under so many of them, and I looking at what all this she wrote here, I now bring it down to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, where he stands, what he presented to us that made large number of Biafrans listen to him, and Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, among all these slew, look at the numbers, and they stuck with Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. And now currently, I believe, and I know from going around, that a large portion, especially those that voted to come out of the contraption and the hell they are in, are for USB. And that is what is keeping our heroes in dungeon. That is what is keeping them there. And these people, if we run to na ha ga-ekwe ka USB breed. You know, it brings me to all these peoples, because sometimes I listen to people who try to be politically correct, because it is political correctness that kept Alararu the way it is. Nothing more. Because people see the truth, they gloss over the truth. They don't want to call a spade a spade. They don't want to say evil is evil. And I don't know if it is because they don't really research. When I started this, I didn't know what I was doing. I was trying to really figure out what is this country I'm in. That's a nigger country, what it is all about. And I began from 1960, what happened, 1966, what happened, the Uputa panel, that one shocked me to the bone marrow, all the things that went on. And now to the present day, all that is going on. And I see people when I was during the time between August 2024 and now, the when you look at the antecedent and what these people say, I'm going to mention their name. I listened to the strategic plottist, the masked man. His name, he called himself Biafra Unite. I listened to Nkere. I listened to Nkere, his words, and all that they said about success, and Dibia Pastor, Chidi Canada. When you listen, you hear the horror and the what type of, if these people ever mention Biafra in their name, you know that these people don't mean well. They don't mean well. They don't mean well. And no, you see, that some people will stand and they begin to gloss over what these people have done, how they did what they did. People are watching and they're glossing over someone saying to talking, okay, now they have like out of the group they created from this evil, they concocted from August 2024, there were incidents that happened in September. There were incidents that happened in October. There were records from these people, what they, because sometimes, like someone said that God will push them to confess. All their confession is towards, not meaning well to Biafrans, not meaning well. Because if what has kept our Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Prime Minister Simon Ekpa is that they wanted to redeclare Biafra, and Biafra is redeclared, and we have United States of Biafra. So what is the color of these people's problem? Is it because they are not the one that declared it? Is it because they are not the one that organized the 50 million to go on referendum? Are they waiting for their father and themselves? People that don't have the capacity, nobody trusts a chicken in their hands. You can't trust even dead chicken in the hands of these people. And these are the people that people are trying to be politically correct around what they are doing. And we are here today. I feel I'm baffled. And I keep praying that everyone that is awake, stay awake. Everyone that wants this baby to survive, please do what you can. Everyone that wants our lives. Because you know the funny thing, I say to you, a lot of them joined the bandwagon, not knowing what they are really, it's not like they don't know what they are doing. When someone is overwhelmed with anger and hatred, they may not even care what they destroy. It's just like somebody with anger problem. They tell them that you have to manage your anger. At the point when they are angry, they can destroy anything. And I speak to those that are doing what they are doing due to anger, because some people are doing this thing because they have been paid, they are employed. If you don't find your name employed to do this, because Dr. what is that his name said it, that people were employed to make sure that Biafra never came. If you are not employed, know that you are being used, and see how you can wriggle yourself out of this, because it is not funny. That is no joke. You see, when you're listening to this man, it sounds like a joke, but this is just, it is nauseating. It is pure evil. And there is nothing anybody, you can't paint it. Look at the plan, how people are cooking up the same trajectory. How Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was sold, how the men on ground were sold. There is when you dig it, there is every evidence that these people are trapped. We don't even know who is in charge now of the camps. We don't know. So we keep praying and keep pushing that we will, all of us, as we are well-meaning, will do our best and keep praying. Let me end it here so that I just don't run
Yeah,
over.
thank you so much. We may come back again, but I just want to end it now too because we have spent 2 hours already. Thank you for your time. I don't even know that you are watching, to be honest. I thought you are so busy. Yeah, because I thought you are so busy, but happy to see you. Happy to have you today. God bless you. Thank you so much. So, my brothers, my brothers and sisters, we have to end it here. All right. Thank you so much for your time. And please, before you go, do the needful, like the video and share it on any platform of your choice. Always keep your eyes on these people's statement. They always dish out lie for fun. And their lies is for them to sustain themselves in this nonsense they're doing. Not because for you, not for your sake, not at all. They always have one thing in common, all of them. Their target is you, your pocket. Second thing is to make sure that they keep on making you off by asking you to bring. I'm not saying you should not donate anything to anybody. What I'm trying to say is that be sure of what you are doing, because many of them are using this thing to do one or two things. We have not finished the video. That is why I will maybe I will react on it after this. Okay, because I'm going to somewhere now. When I come back, I may maybe react on that maybe for tomorrow or next, because there's something where he talked about Biafra Liberation Army. Very, very, very important. Even if I am going to skip every other thing, see that part, I will not. There's something he said I'm not going to say here. Wait for it. God bless you and see you again. Thank you, Madam Origin, once again. Thank you so much. Somebody is saying network. Am I having network issue here? Am I being kicked out?
No, everything is fine.
Alaka Chuku, are you watching from Nasarawa State? You said another person have mentioned network. Yes, we have Ezoka, my brother. You are late, to be honest. It has been long. Where have you been? Where have you been? I hope all is well with you. Ngosika is here. There's somebody mentioned network before. So I was like, okay, I checked with my phone and everything was okay. That was Lawrence. Look at it. Talked about network. Anyway, my people, and I think something is going on. Maybe this program is being attacked because even the view dropped massively. I don't know. Maybe something is going on. Maybe. I don't know. Thank you so much, Madam Origin. See you again. Thank you.